Bonjour. Oh, sorry. Filming this really quickly on Thursday morning before I go give a test. So I apologize that things are a little out of control. Bonjour. Today, I'm not even in the right place. Today, we're finishing up lesson 17, notes. It's more vocab. It's more vocab about la santé. La santé is health. Health, the health. Okay, so it's all vocab relating to health, how you're feeling, etc. So, you know this phrase, ça va? How are you? Ça va? So it uses a general greeting, just like the same way we say, oh, how are you in English. We don't necessarily expect an answer, like a truthful answer about like your health, but you could get one. Same in French. So one of the answers, I'm going to sneeze now. I'm so sorry. One of the possible responses to ça va, you know, is oui, ça va. Yep, ça va. It's going. Or no, ça ne va pas. Like it's not going. Literally, it's not going. But it's like, nah, I'm not well. It's not going. It's not good. It's bad. And same with ça va. It means like, yep, all good. Then you could say, je suis en forme. Je suis en forme. I'm in shape. So en forme means in shape. Kind of makes sense, right? Form, shape. Or je ne suis pas en forme. I'm not in shape. Another possible response, je suis en bonne santé. Je suis en bonne santé. I'm in good health. I'm in good health. Or je suis en mauvaise santé. I'm in poor health. Okay? You could say, je me sens bien. Je me sens bien. Which means I feel good. I feel, so me sens is feel. I feel good. Or je ne me sens pas bien. I don't feel good. Je ne me sens pas bien. I don't feel good. You could say ça va mieux. Ça va mieux. Mieux means better, so it's going better. Ça va mieux, it's going better. So if this person knew that you'd been doing poorly and you're improving. Ça va mieux. Okay. Now, what if you are feeling poorly? You are sick in some way. How do you tell people you're sick? How do you tell your friends or your family or maybe even a doctor what's wrong with you? Okay. This should have come in line by line, but it didn't. So, someone might ask you, qu'est-ce que tu as? Qu'est-ce que tu as? What's wrong? What's the matter? Qu'est-ce que tu as? What do you have? Is what that literally means, but it means what's the matter or what's wrong. So you could say, je suis malade. Je suis malade. I'm sick. Je suis malade. I'm sick. This one, very important for all of you. Je suis fatigué. Je suis fatigué. I'm tired. Right? Looks like fatigued. I'm so sorry. My allergies. J'ai la grippe. J'ai la grippe. I have the flu. La grippe means the flu. Or j'ai un rhume. J'ai un rhume. I have a cold. Je n'ai pas un rhume, j'ai des allergies. I don't have a cold, I have allergies. But j'ai un rhume, a cold. Okay? Now what if it's not one of these things? What if you're not just like generally sick or tired, you don't have the flu or cold, you have like a headache or like an earache, or generally just like have pain in some part of your body? I will tell you how you do that. So someone could ask, est-ce que tu as mal? Où est-ce que tu as mal? Where do you have pain? Where does it hurt? And then your answer. J'ai mal is how it starts. I have pain, or I have bad. J'ai mal, I have pain. À la tête, mal à la tête. So pain in the head. So that means I have a headache. J'ai mal au ventre. Au ventre, I have a stomach ache. J'ai mal au dos. Au dos, I have a backache. J'ai mal aux oreilles. J'ai mal aux oreilles. I have an earache, right? So you've probably noticed a pattern, right? If you haven't noticed a pattern, look for one in all of these phrases. Okay? So to express like pain or like where something is hurting, in French we use the expression avoir mal. Okay, so you conjugate avoir and then the word mal plus o, a la, a l apostrophe, or o a u x, plus part of the body, right? Pain in the blank. So mal à la tête. There should be an accent mark on tête. It's just missing. À la tête. J'ai mal au ventre. Mal au dos. Mal aux oreilles. And it's all just dependent on the gender of the noun. So tête is feminine, so it's à la. Ventre is masculine, so it's au. Dos is masculine, so it's au. Oreille is plural, so it's au. The next. And that's it. That is the end of lesson 17. So like I said, lots of vocab, this one sort of grammar structure, but not terrible, bunch of useful words. Let's look at your practice. So last video I said that your practice of body parts was going to be lumped in with this section's practice. That is true, I did not lie to you. So here you can see the practice you're doing. Read what the following people did and say like where they're hurting now. Choose a different part of the body for each person. Okay, so you are going to have a sentence telling you what this person did, what each person did, and then you're saying now they have pain in the body part. So you do have to make logical choices, right? Like body parts that would make sense to be hurting after what they did. So you can see this example. Jacques est tombé de bicyclette. Jacques est tombé de bicyclette. Jack like fell off the bike. Now, il a mal au genou. Maintenant, il a mal au genou. Now his knee hurts. Now his knee hurts. Okay, so you're doing that for each of these. Make sure to pay attention to the subject because the subject will change. So like just in these first two, Philippe, and then nous. So make sure you're conjugating avoir correctly. And other than that, you should be good. Just you pick body parts that make some kind of sense. And that is it. Let me know if you have any questions. As I said in some video before this, we're not taking a quiz over lesson 17. We're moving right on to lesson 18. And that's it. Au revoir. You're going to come with me to the screen because I don't have time to edit.